Hello everyone. So today's YouTube video is based upon of how to run NinjaTrader on your Mac iOS laptop basically. So first things first, they do not officially support running NinjaTrader on a Mac, but you can indirectly run it with the help of Windows. So they have specific installation instructions for Parallels and VMware Fusion, which will allow you to run NinjaTrader on your Mac. And to do that, you will need to start Parallel and select your virtual machine. Then press the configure button on the top and under options, select sharing. Uncheck share Mac under share Mac users folder with Windows and press OK and start the virtual machine. So this is the Mac installation of configuring NinjaTrader for Parallels. Then Mac installation for configuring NinjaTrader for WMVR and where so start the where and select your virtual machine. Press the settings button on the bottom. Under system settings, select sharing. Uncheck documents from the mirrored folders. List close the settings window and start the virtual machine. So yeah, this is how you can easily run NinjaTrader on your Mac. And please keep in mind, to run NinjaTrader on your Mac, you will need to have one of the each Parallel or VMware Fusion, because it does not allow you to directly run NinjaTrader on your Mac because of the Apple restrictions that is already put in on the laptop. So yeah, this is how we can easily run a NinjaTrader on Mac. If you follow and watch, if you watch this video till the end, so if you did this, you can now easily do it. So thank you for watching this video. That's all from my side. This is how you can easily do this process without any issue.